Hey everyone, welcome back, and today I will show you how to set up a cron job on Linux, and I promise it's easier than you might think. So let's get started. First of all, what is a cron job? So in simple terms, cron job is a way to tell your computer, hey, please run this task for me at a certain time or interval. So let's easily get started. So you have to do Crontab hyphen. If you're using this first time, it will ask you to set up a editor. So I'll be using second, okay? And you will get a lot of comments I have all removed for me. And just for the demonstration purpose, I have created a script actually. So you have to go in the test, okay. In the test directory, I have test.sh, okay, and this log.txt I will just remove. So this you can see the test file. It will simply create a log.txt file with the current timestamp, okay. So let's set up our timings first. So suppose today time is currently 20:01. So I will set up for 0 to 20 and three more wildcards, assets slash home ayush test.sh. Okay. So quickly save it, and here you can see installing new cron tab is done. If you want to list your what are the jobs are currently configured on your server, you have to just simply do cron tab hyphen l. It will list it. Okay. So you can see the your time zone also that we can use. You can see using time date CTL, I guess. Yeah. So my local time is IST and universal UTC. Okay. So it's 1:53. The file should get created now at 8:02. So here you can see one file got created log.txt. So in this way you can set up any script on your cron job, okay, and you can use it for different purposes which you want. And also you can go on to the website of this crontab.guru. Here you can see different options or different timings you'll be getting. Like these three is what is date, month, and day. So if you want to suppose in to currently it's July, and if you want to do on the August, so the date suppose I want to keep it as 01, and the month also you can select. For August you can select 8, for September 9, for this October 11, 12, like this. Okay. So suppose 8 I want to do, and week 1 if you do it will be Monday, 2 Tuesday, 3rd Wednesday, 4 Thursday, 5 Friday, 6 Saturday, 7 Sunday. So in this way you can set up a cron job according to you. This website is for your reference. You can use it to see what will happen and when the your script will be executed. So here you can see next date 1/8/2025 at 14:50. Okay, on Sunday it is. So in this way you can set up a cron job, and yeah, that's it for this video, and I will see you in the next one, guys. Thank you so much for watching.